The cable is connected to my 3DO microphone right here, as well as this Rodecaster Pro mixer. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Cable Matters 3.5mm TRS to dual male XLR breakout cable in 10 feet. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. So here are all the package contents. We have the cable itself right here, available in multiple lengths, 3, 6, and 10 foot options. You can see on this end, we have Cable Matters logo and branding. It's a 3.5mm TRS end. Then on the other side, you can see we have our male XLR breakouts. One is red and labeled ring, and then one is black and labeled tip. So you can see that right there. Also have the Cable Matters logo and branding on the other side as well. Now let's go ahead, let's plug this in and try it out. So here we go, we got everything plugged in and set up. I just want to show you guys, the cable is connected to my 3DO microphone right here, as well as this Rodecaster Pro mixer. Wanted to show you guys, this is an unbalanced cable, so you can see the inputs right there are changing depending on which ear we're snapping in. So you can see it is an unbalanced cable for our microphone. But unfortunately, if you can see right here too, we only have balance audio out for this audio mixer that I'm currently using. So as you listen to this, the audio will be balanced, but you can see right here that this is an unbalanced cable and everything works great. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.